Some agents just use Facebook, while others prefer Instagram. There are many social media options you can use. Here are the basics regarding the most popular platforms. First, there's Facebook. Facebook is the most popular social media network in the world. It's best used to stay in touch with your followers. Create a page dedicated to your business and make sure to add a cover page and your logo. If you have a large personal following, feel free to share your business posts, but don't make business posts from your personal page. Facebook, like many sites, uses an algorithm to bring your posts to users. Facebook offers an option to boost a post for additional exposure. You might want to consider a contest or giveaway every so often to get people involved. You may want to consider testing some paid or sponsored posts, which you can do for just a small investment. As in all kinds of advertising, it's helpful to test the post and responses. If your sponsored posts are not getting the results you want, then suspend that tactic. But if they do, you can increase your budget and your reach. Just be sure to work with your agent to determine if the ROI is worth it. You can personalize this page with your agent's profile picture and a header. You may want to use your agent's logo as the profile picture.